So let's say what you want to do is you want to go ahead and utilize the divide tool in order to go ahead and divide out the models in SketchUp. So to do that, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create out a shape. Let's say, for example, using a rectangle tool, and then I'm just going to go ahead and use the push pull tool to go ahead and add this in. So let's say now what I want to actually do is I want to divide these part right here just like this and add in 4 little squares inside. So in that case, what I can actually do is utilize the divide tool. So for that, I can simply go to the selection tool and select the edge which I want to divide, and I can simply go ahead and right click, and over here you can see that divide is an option. As you click on it and move your mouse, you can see that you can go ahead and choose the number of division right here. In my case, let's say for example I want 1, so I have 1 right here. Let's just click and then it is divided. Similarly, I'm going to go around onto the top as well, right click, and let's just go around onto divide and then go for 1. So it doesn't seem like anything is happening much. Let's divide it. So there's 1, and then I'm going to go around and divide it right here. Let's say 1 right here. So now if you were to select the edges, you can actually see that over here, you can see that the edges right here are being divided. So now if I were to go ahead and take my lines tool right here, I can actually snap onto that place and then draw out just like this. Snap onto that place and then draw out right here just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, and if I were to use the push and pull tool, now you can see that I got the details as necessary just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the divide tool inside of SketchUp to go ahead and add in the details as necessary. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.